In today's video, I'll show you a simple hairspray recipe with only one ingredient that's easy to apply and will speed up your hair growth. I'll also show you a little trick to maximize hair growth, along with other magical ingredients that will supercharge the regrowth process. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Rosemary is a remarkable ingredient. It works to prevent hair loss while stimulating regrowth with topical applications, all of which have been backed by studies. It contains a variety of compounds within its oil that promote hair growth. It reduces inflammation and acts as an antibacterial agent, which reduces the colony size of bacteria that can put our scalp in a chronically inflamed state, followed by hair loss. It counteracts the effects of the dreaded hormone DHT, which lead to hair thinning. This can be a useful hair loss prevention treatment in families with a history of baldness. Being a vasodilator, it prevents fibrosis by promoting increased blood flow in the hair follicle. This in turn carries oxygen and nutrients into the follicles and strengthens hair strands. How to prepare rosemary spray for hair growth. Step 1. Pour half a cup of water into a glass container. Make sure the water is warm or slightly hot but not boiling, so it will extract all the nutrients without destroying them. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed rosemary leaves to the water and let it steep for at least 30 minutes. Step 3. Pour your solution into a spray bottle. You can use a bottle with a dropper if you prefer. Step 4. Spray the solution to a clean scalp and strands and leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing, but leaving it overnight is ideal. Use a shower cap or a plastic bag if you think it may transfer to your pillow. You can use rosemary essential oil instead of extracting from the leaves. As essential oil is usually sold at 100% strength, it is recommended to dilute it at a concentration of up to 50%. Applying a full-strength oil can leave your scalp irritated if left long enough. If you have a sensitive scalp, start with lower concentrations and increase it if it's well tolerated. But if you wish to try concentrations above 50%, do it in small and gradual steps and monitor any reactions on your scalp. When it comes to hair loss topicals, consistency is key. If you're going to start using any topical regimen, commit to it for at least 4 months. How to supercharge hair growth with rosemary. There are hair growth synergies that can speed up the process using rosemary extract. These effects make sense once we look at research demonstrating the efficacy of topical applications combined with mechanical stimulation, whether it's skin stretching, microneedling or firm massaging. This became evident in a 12-week study examining the effects of combining DINMA rolling with Rogaine versus using Rogaine alone. It found that using DINMA rolling with Rogaine once a week resulted in 4 times the hair growth in comparison. Since Rogaine and rosemary extract share the same vasodilating properties and effectiveness, hair regrowth effects can enhance significantly if used in conjunction with mechanical stimulation. Add ingredients that will boost hair growth. There are many herbs and spices that can maintain scalp health and boost hair growth. But when it comes to topical applications, 2 specific ingredients stand out. Black seed oil has been shown to reduce hair fallout by up to 76% and is a worthy ingredient of your hair care regimen. Clove oil is a natural remedy that can be invaluable for stimulating hair growth. It is equipped with potent antimicrobial and antifungal qualities and is enriched with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that enable our hair to flourish. It is also an excellent choice to improve scalp circulation. Clove oil in its pure form is potent and has to be diluted. Once applied to the scalp in diluted form, it can stimulate hair growth while adding shine to your hair and keeping it soft. It can eliminate dandruff and also prevent premature graying of the hair. Simply add a few drops to your rosemary solution or carrier oil. You can also add around 10 drops to a shampoo bottle. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.